Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this error when the application was unable to start correctly on Windows. So the first method would be to go to Control Panel, open it. Once you are on Control Panel, you want to find Programs. Once you are on Programs, you want to click Turn Windows Features On or Off. And now you will see this option. Now you want to make sure that both of these folders .NET are selected. As you can see, I have one unselected, so I'm just going to go ahead and select both of those. After that, you want to click OK. Now it will search for required files. Now you want to choose the first option, let Windows update the downloaded files. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, the second method would be to open up your File Explorer, go to Local Disk C, scroll down until you see Windows, open it. Scroll down until you will see System32. And here you need to find a file called xinput1 free. And here's how it looks like. Now you need to go ahead and delete it. After you have deleted, you want to go back to Windows folder, scroll down until you see syswow64, and again find the same folder. From here it is. You want to go ahead and delete it too. After you have deleted, now you want to go ahead to your browser, and on the browser you want to download DirectX Runtime Web Installer. This is how it will look like. You want to accept the agreement, click Next, uncheck this, install the ping bar, and now it should start downloading. After that, you want to click Finish, and you want to go ahead and check for updates on your Windows system. Check for updates. If there's any updates, you want to go ahead and download them. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to download the Microsoft Visual CCs. Now, if that still didn't fix the problem, you want to install the DLLS. So you're going to download this. So first, you're going to extract all the files like I did. After that, you want to copy them. And you want to put them in the root folder where your game is. So more specifically, where the .exe file of the game is. So let's, for example, find any game. And for example, you want to find such specific .exe file. And you want to paste every single DLL right there. And that's pretty much it. When you open the game, you want to open it as administrator. So just go ahead and click Run as administrator, and everything should work as it should. That's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.